A lot of people notice new sounds in their shoulder and immediately assume something is wrong. A click, a pop, or a subtle shift can feel alarming, especially if you've had pain before or are trying to protect your shoulder as you get older. It's very easy for your mind to jump straight to worst case conclusions. I want to slow that moment down a bit. I'm Dr. Dan Orcutt, and today we're talking about why shoulder noises can feel so unsettling and why sound alone rarely tells the full story. The shoulder is one of the most complex joints in the body. It's made to move in many directions, and that movement involves muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joint surfaces all working together. As we age, or after irritation or injury, the way those structures glide can change slightly. When that happens, you may hear or feel something you didn't notice before. What's important to understand is that noise and damage are not the same thing. Many people have clicking or popping in a shoulder that is otherwise stable and functioning well. The sound itself doesn't automatically mean harm is occurring. What usually drives anxiety is not the noise, but the uncertainty around what it means. Another factor is awareness. Once you notice a sound, it's hard to unnotice it. Your attention stays locked on it, and every movement feels more significant than it actually is. That heightened focus can increase tension, which can make the sensation feel even more pronounced. This is where perspective matters. Shoulders that are truly in trouble usually give more information than sound alone. They tend to change how you move, how strong you feel, or how confident you are using the arm. Sound by itself is rarely the whole story. If you're dealing with shoulder pain or uncertainty, having a simple way to organize what you're feeling can be helpful. I've included a free shoulder pain checklist that helps you step back and look at patterns instead of isolated sensations. And if you want a deeper explanation of common mistakes people make after shoulder surgery and why they create unnecessary worry, there's a longer video linked below that walks through that in detail. The goal here isn't to ignore your body, it's to understand it more clearly without letting fear fill in the gaps.